Welcome back. You're watching The Week Ahead. Today I have Ava Trade's Naeem Aslam on the line to take a look at this week's key events. Naeem, Happy New Year. The euro touched a 9-year low against the US dollar. We have some European data out this week, and of course US non-farm payrolls on Friday. Naeem, how do you think this week's data could further impact this pair?
Thanks for having me. The currency move, there's been absolutely chaos in the currency market. Speaking about euro, from that perspective, there has been over 100 points move in the first 5 minutes last night. And that's purely because the headlines haven't changed. The headlines are pretty much the same that we had over the Christmas period, but the traders are back and they are reading into this Greek exit situation very carefully and what the implications of that one could be. Now, we do know that the euro dollar has broken the psychological level of 120, which was very, very important. We do think that. And it has continued to fail in near vacuum condition, and many stop losses have triggered. Now, with the new non-farm payroll data due on Friday, we still maintain our view that there could be a more downside view for the move for the euro, but the Greek election is going to set up the first key test for the euro dollar in 2015, and sovereign debt burden would be the biggest thing for the euro dollar.
The Bank of England interest rate decision is on Thursday. Naeem, what sort of trading trends are you expecting to see before and after the announcement?
We don't think that they're going to raise the interest rates yet because the repercussions from the Eurozone or what is really taking place, they are quite big. So they don't want to increase the rates yet when there's so much uncertainty in the Eurozone. So they will keep the interest rate same. Sterling would continue its trend towards the downside as there will be less and less odds stacked in favor of any upward move. So we do expect the pair to consolidate and grind lower.
Naeem, what are you expecting from Asian markets this week?
Yes, that's an excellent question. I think it's very important to keep an eye on the Asian market at the same time because HSBC Services PMI data is due on Tuesday, and the forecast is 53. If we do get a lower reading, the speculations would be, okay, Bank of China would do another quantitative easing. But again, then we do have another important piece of data due on Friday, which is the PPI data, and the forecast is already for a worse reading that again is going to build up more pressure on the People's Bank of China to do more quantitative easing, pump more money into the economy so that the growth can be ignited.
Naeem, thank you very much. Well, viewers, do not go anywhere as we have plenty more heading your way on Dukascopy TV today. See you very soon.